All right, welcome to Cover the Capital. Welcome to the weekly analysis. Now, I already made a video. I made a video, and luckily for me, I closed it without downloading it into my laptop. So here we go again. It's easy for me to do because I love what I do, and I've come to understand it, so I could make this analysis a billion times. It really matter to me. But yeah, let's go again. So weekly top down analysis. Obviously, we're going to start from the monthly time frame. That is the time frame that gives us the trend of the market. So now first of all, I'm going to say there are two types of trend. On here, there's a trending market and there's a ranging market. There's a way to trade the ranging market and there's a way to trade the excuse me. There's a way to trade the trending market. So now GPSD were bearish. It is clear as day. This is a lower high, lower low, lower high. We're very bearish. The only way we can say we're bullish is if we break the structure right here, then we can say we're bullish. But for now, we're very bearish. So let's keep that in mind. Now we've understood that, and now we're going to move to the weekly time frame. Now on the weekly time frame right here, now do not mind my lines. I'm just going to make it as clear as I could make it for you. So the weekly time frame right here, we're expecting price to obviously bounce off of this daily area of interest to the downside. Now the weekly time frame were also bearish, and that's very good. Now what I was saying about a ranging market, you see all of this move opposite to the monthly time frame that was supposed to be bearish. To see this push to the upside, this is a ranging market, to be honest, because it is bullish on the weekly and on the daily. Now there's a way to trade in markets like this. There's a way to do that. There's a way to do that. But we'll talk when that happens. We'll cross that bridge. But for now, let's focus on the monthly time frame, which is bearish. So now, a part of me is saying I shouldn't get involved. A part of me is saying I should get involved. Why? Because we've gotten to this area and it is very, very scary when the market gets to a weekly area of interest. You can see right here, the market got here and then rally up to the upside. Now, we're here again, and I'm thinking, okay, history is always going to repeat itself. In the forex market, it's all about history. So I'm expecting the market to obviously rally to the upside. But I'm still going to stick to the trend. I'm still going to stick to my analysis, but this is not an ideal trade for me yet. But I'll give you, a top down analysis regardless. So now we're on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we're expecting the market to come into this neckline, double top, the test of the neckline, drop. You know what I'm saying? Double top, the test of the neckline, drop. So this is what we're expecting the market to do. Now, go to the 4 hour time frame. I know this may seem fast paced, but just bear with me. Now on the 4 hour time frame and on the 1 hour time frame, these are entry time frames. We don't do anything on here but to enter the trade. Now the only reason why I would not use the 4 hour time frame is if this retest right here, as you can see, does not have structure. What do I mean? If this retest right here does not have higher high, high low, higher high, high low, higher high, high low, all the way to this place, I would be focusing on the 1 hour time frame that has the structure that I need. Now, the reason being is this: there are people who are also involved in this push to the upside right here. There are some people we call those type of people degenerates. On here they are degenerates because you do not trade the pullback. But yeah, there are people who are buying all the way to this level. Fine, it's fine. You could do whatever works for you, innit? So what the plan is here is to wait, to be patient for the market to get here, give us structure, use our entry strategy, and then make money off of the market. Now, on the 1 hour time frame, as you can see, there's structure. It's building up. You know what I mean? It's building up. So we're expecting the market to build up structure all the way here. Enter with our entry strategy, which we would show in some other trade or in some other video. I'll do a full video of our strategy and all that, our entry and exit and all that. We will do all of that. We're here to learn. We're here to teach. And we're here to learn from one another. So whatever in your pair you want me to do an analysis on, I could do that for you. Excuse me. Now you might ask, why would I do this? Why would I wait for the market to give me a break of structure before I start selling? Why can I not just set a limit here, or why can I not just get in at the first bearish engulfing I see, or the pin bar I see now? You do not enter off of the pin bar. If you've read the book, the Candlestick Bible, you would know that entering off a pin bar does not really work all the time. Trust me, I've been here, I've done that. Pin bars, yes, they work sometimes, but pin bars are not sustainable. You need something sustainable, So now you might also be asking, but I thought you said it's a bearish market. We're bearish, aren't we? Now, yes, obviously we're bearish. Unless we break here, then we become bullish on the 1 hour time frame. But we're still bearish as long as we're below this area of interest, right? Or rather, the structure point right here. So now you need to understand this key factor. On the time frame that you're going to enter the trade, you must make sure the pullback is in confluence. You must make sure the pullback is in confluence with the overall structure of the market. So if this pullback is still bullish, I'm expecting it to turn bearish before I get involved. Do not sell off of the touch of the area of interest. Sell off of the bounce of it. I come again. Do not sell off of the touch. Sell off of the bounce of it. So yeah, this is the analysis for the week. I hope you all have a blessed week in the name of the Lord Almighty. And I hope you lot follow the rules, follow your plans, and let's just make money in the markets. Let's try to manage the fund we have, and let's keep going. For if you want the entry and the exit, if you want my thoughts, if you want my what I see, it's not going to be on here. It's going to be on the WhatsApp channel. On here, we just analysis. On the WhatsApp channel, that is where I post the entry. That is where I post my exit. That is where I post, my thought process for whatever decision I take in the market. See y'all later and have a blessed week.